How you doing, people? Random here. So we really started off in this exact setup, but I worked on this for probably 10 minutes last night, and then I gave up and went upstairs and relaxed and went to bed. So I'm gonna continue on now, and that's what I can tell you. It is a Texas Jim. It is a 6-pinner. Moves freely in the vise. I got it cramped down pretty good, but it still goes pretty good. So it's a 6-pinner. And I can get a false set. I can get a really good false set, actually, and then it would bind it up from there. But we're gonna get it open because that's what we do. So, just gonna start with. Actually, I was gonna start with this. I wonder if I should start with more of a hook. You know what? We'll start with this. This is Sparrow's DeForest offset diamond hybrid thingamajigger. Dave. We're going to see what Dave can do. Pin 4 was the one that did it last, that started it all off. There he is again. Pin 1's good now. There's my false set. Okay, pin 1's definitely set now. Pin 6 is at the bottom. Lost my false set. Got her back. Check my pin 1. We're still good on that. And pin 2. Give him a shot. Oh, and he's locked. Something with a little more giver. Pin 1. Pin 2. Try again on pin 4, nothing. Pin 5, nothing. This is what I was getting last time. I wonder if pin 2's not meant to be set that high. Well, they're actually oversetting. There's pin 2 again, but she took it, but that doesn't mean it. And pin 2 again. See if I can set that pin 2. That's pin 3. I think I'm oversetting it now. You can hear it. Too crunchy. Okay. I'm going to zoom in this time. You can see a little more. Okay. Same thing, pin 4. Pin 5. Pin 4 again. Pin 1. pin 2. I'm just, ooh, cap top. The top cap almost went off. Let's come on. Four, 5. 6 is sitting on the bottom. Work my way back. Okay. Pin 2 just gave me one. Do a reset on pin 1. Okay. 2. Oh, lost my. A little bit of. Just turn just a bit. That's my pin 6. I feel like pin 6 is on the bottom. I'm not gonna give him any more. Another little tiny turn. Let's do this one right here. That is pin 3. Oh, ha 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 ha! We're open. Awesome. Good job. I don't know how you guys like that camera angle a little better, me zoomed in like that. You don't see my hands as much, which is cool. So, we're open. Sweet. That was quite the little bit of pick there, Jim. You did a good job. Awesome. Love it. I am the type of person that feels that not every lock has to be open in the quickest time possible, because sometimes the fun part is learning your pick, which is pretty cool. That's what I like about this. I think with every tough challenge lock, things get easier. We might even get another one here. That's not going to work. Another one here by Jim. I think we're going to do next is Arrow. We'll give that a shot. That spring, and the spring is not coming out, so we're good there. So I have learned something with the progression of challenge locks getting tougher and tougher in the community. People are putting more T-pins and getting more brave. Regardless of what it is, I am shimming it nowadays, because you never know what you're going to find. If I can get a shim in there. Whoop. Okay, shims all the way through. Now we need a follower too, don't we? Okay. Yeah. Looks like we got some T-pins on the bottom here. Very, very, very cool. Maybe not. No, they're not. They're just the way they're shaped. So we got a serrated, wicked serrated number 3. Really good one at number 4. There's a triple at number 5. And another triple at number 6. Awesome. And where are my... Oh, that's right. They're nicely organized. Every day, man, I look at that pick roll and I'm thankful that I now know where everything is. And he has, by the look of it, modified this Bible because it has the world's tiniest springs in there. And they are just crammed tight. And they are threaded. So we got serrated spool, custom spring. It looks like a brass spring or copper brass spring cut up. Another super sharp spool. Another mini spring. That was that. Whoops. It was that way, and we got a spool in number 4. Another sharp one in number 5. Another mini spring. And in 6, what we got? We have an inactive pin. There we go. Standard pin, no spring in number 6. Oh, it is. It's just jammed in there sideways. It's caught on the warding, on the threading, because he's threaded the entire top. Looks like he cut this down. I'm gonna guess, because I don't think this would be normally this short. He has literally cut this off so he can stick smaller springs in there for less movement. Now it looks like the spring has actually gotten jammed in there sideways against the threading, because there is some really, really nice sharp threading on the inside of that. He has tapped it very, very well. And what do we have in the inside of the core? I see no counter milling. Everything is completely, yeah, if you can see if we can get the camera in on that, get a good look at that. Yeah, everything, you can see that right there. That's crazy. And that is some really, really, really good threading, Jim. You did a wonderful job. Everyone's done. So yeah, so we're good to go. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pygmy 1977, for sending me this lock. I much appreciate it, and thanks, Jim, for making it. I'll make sure it gets out to somebody else. And everybody take care, and be safe, and don't pick anything you don't belong to, of course, that doesn't belong to you, of course. And support your local locksmith.